Hello and welcome, Logitech MX ERGO wireless trackball. I bought this more than 2 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, and I haven't unpacked it because I was putting off making a video, and I was using the M570 and it's just working great after I got it replaced. And this is the Ergo. I'm finally doing it. I want to get that tilt, I want to see if it's even better for my hands. I guess we're gonna read this. This is basically just advertising for the software. I'm not a fan of mouse software. I prefer it to just work. Unifying technology and Bluetooth. Pretty cool. I'm gonna try to use this with a tablet sometime. Not today though. Horizontal scrolling. That's interesting to me. They call it advanced. I don't know about that, but okay. I have no need for controlling two computers at the same time, thankfully. Battery 4 months, yeah. If it's anything comparable to the M570, then it's gonna be great, I think. I wonder what precision mode button means, but I guess it's just a sensitivity switch. Never really got into using these at all. There's a USB... Wait, it's micro... Okay, I thought USB-C. No, it's a micro USB charging cable. That's pretty cool. I guess that you... Wait a second, that you cannot replace the battery. Is that cool? I don't know. I guess I'll know in 2, 3, 4 years. There's a plastic down here. That's the reason why I actually just wanted to unpack it and be done with it, but when I saw this, I knew I had to make a video of it. So there you go. .com options. There's a switch, easy switch, whatever that means. Connect 3 seconds. That's for Bluetooth, right? Am I supposed to remove this? I'm just gonna not remove this. Okay, I guess I'm gonna... No, I'll just leave it here. Okay, you decide for yourself whether you want to leave it here. I'm gonna show you so you know. So you can decide. There's nothing here. It's just a beautiful MX Ergo logo. So I'm just gonna put it right back because I'm never gonna... Oh, I see. If you remove it, it's gonna be less slidey, and it's because this is it has a sticky feel a little bit. It's rubber. So if your trackball slides too much, I guess removing this will help. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it here for now. On, off. Very minimalist. I've seen a comment on YouTube complaining about that there is no container for this. I think it was under my speedlink trackball mouse review or unboxing. Yeah, that's the how do you call it? How did I just call it? Well, it's a different angle. That's weird. This is funny and weird. I'm gonna have to make a video after a while telling you how I feel about that and how it affected me and which setting I use. I've been using vertical mice, yeah, that's their name, and I liked it. But the only thing is that when you move your mouse to a keyboard, you often bash the mouse. But I haven't used any of those for more than 4 years, I think. I had a very cheap one. Didn't last very long, maybe 1 or 2 years. And then I went back on the trackball train, or maybe that's when I first got on the trackball train. If that was the first time I got on the trackball train, then it is definitely more than 4 years and more than 6 years actually. Maybe 6 years. Okay, I see. We can just, awesome, we can just remove this. So let's see, down here we just have serial number. I can hardly read what is written here. I guess it doesn't really matter. I guess this hole helps you take out the ball for cleaning. Wow, this is much harder. Whoa, this is much harder than in the... Let me show you. I'm just gonna turn you off. That's the one I use. So Finger in here, done. Finger in here, done. No finger in there. What? I am supposed to be able to do this, right? Okay, so there's a battery that you can theoretically replace, I guess. Looks like you would have to unscrew it. Very interesting. Oh, battery disposal. No, they're not interested in you replacing it. They're interested in you disposing of it. Or, yeah, I guess they are regulated to tell you about it. Okay, so how the heck am I supposed to... Let's look in the manual. How are we supposed to be able to remove a ball? Are we supposed to be able to remove a ball? I know I have to clean the ball regularly, maybe once a week, but I got used to it. All I really do is dink, done, maybe blow inside a little. That's how I do it. Okay, I don't see any guide for removing the ball. So this one does not have a pouch for hiding. It's not mobile, not as mobile as this one, where you can just put the receiver down in here. Yeah, this is really an experiment. No, less portability, no ability to exchange the battery. Very much feels like an experiment. And that of course also is an experiment. Okay, so this is switching between those two, right? Okay. Yeah, horizontal scrolling. Let's see. I am worried about the nav buttons. They are very important to me. What is this? Is this a what the heck is this? I don't know what this one does. Probably the sensitivity switch. Why is there a hole there? What is that? Reset button? Anyways, let's see. Is there anything else? Is there anything else? No. I'm gonna make a video after a few months. For now, I'm just gonna turn this thing on. Let's turn it on. What's up? Okay, so let's see if it is compatible with a generic USB cable or if they built in. What's going on here? So what you can do to, as a manufacturer, to ensure that other people's USB cables don't work is you make the case to, you leave not enough room for big cases. And I think that's what they did here, yeah. Yep, so I guess I'm gonna have to use this one or find one that is less bulky. Truth be told, the one I just tried to use is very bulky. It is ergonomically one of the worst I've had, but it is long and cheap. So I'm going to just connect it with this, so hopefully we get something out of it. Alright, what's up? Okay, so I see lights. One is lit, and it is working. I'm not going to show you, because again, I'm going to make a video in a few months. Feel free to ask comments and questions. This is the mouse trackball mouse I'm going to be using from now on. One thing, it feels very rubbery, extremely rubbery compared to this. This is very smooth. And my first worry is this is probably going to get super dirty, isn't it? After 2-3 years. As opposed to this one, where it's just going to get shinier and shinier. Okay, well, I look forward to this experiment. I'll see you in half a year or so. Till next time. Ciao.